Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Great Dane 45 by 102. This unit is equipped with a lift axle. So there are 3 axles, beautiful closed tandem 45 footer with a universal mounting kit. As you can see, the underside of this has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Brand new kingpin plate under this unit and pin. Excellent wood condition. Brand new buyer's toolbox. As I said, this is on a lift axle. All new brakes and drums all the way around this unit. Sliding rear axle system. Folks, this unit does have all new tires on the back 80% to new on the front lift axle. Universal mounting kit will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, and many other brands. As we come around to the driver's side, brand new straps all the way down this unit. Excellent condition, beautiful trailer, ready to come work for you. This is Equipment Remarketing. 99lifts.com is our website. 2013 Great Dane, available for sale. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.